This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness, we have already made it to day 4 of the Advent Calendar series. This 12 Days of Glam has been so special and so near and dear to my heart. I hope everybody has been enjoying all of the holiday nail art extravaganza. And again, if there's any holiday Christmas nail art designs that you'd like to see, please comment down below. But without further ado, let's get into this magical box and see what's behind day number 4. Drum roll, please. Oh my gosh, look at that baby. First of all, I cannot get over the packaging. This bottle is so darling, and every single one of the bottles actually in this advent calendar, they are nail art inspirations in themselves. But this golden time, I can't get over how darling this is. So we have a silver glitter. Now, not only is this a soak-off gel, but it has holographic glitter. So the silver, when certain light refracts off, you have all of the rainbow goodness. I cannot get over how dazzling this polish is, and I am sure that there is some flash reflective glitter up in there, because the moment I turn the light on, that thing shone all the way into outer space. For today's holiday inspired nail art, I wanted to let golden time truly shine. So I thought, what better way than to make it wrapping paper? Now, it was so dazzling, I did not want to draw anything on top of it. I just wanted to let the polish shine. Using the no wipe top coat, we are creating the ribbons for this adorable gift. And I wanted to add a little bit extra pop and dimension, so I am going to outline the ribbon with the black UV gel paint. It took everything in me not to burnish some chrome into the black and just make it extra razzle dazzle, but I really didn't want to take away from this stunning silver. With that being said, I did pick the largest charm for this little baby almond, but we were going big and we weren't going home. Go big or go home, right? So we just went full tilt, but I really love how these ended up turning out. Basically, the charm I used was sent from my beautiful sister Priya, and it was this darling bow, but it has these crystal bells, and I just thought it screamed all of the Christmas elegance. And you know, good things come in small packages. So even though this was a tiny little nail, we wanted to just tie everything together and literally top it with a bow. How stinking cute is this? And you can still move the little bells around. I was just losing it. This is definitely a really fun idea for holiday press-ons. This would be really fun for all your festive gatherings, work parties, you name it. You will literally stop the show with these on your phalanges. And honestly, even just playing around with the white and black gel paint, I was thinking there are so many things you can do, abstract designs, and also something that was screaming to my heart with this glitter would be a Christmas tree nail. So y'all, there's still so many sets and designs we'll be doing, but the very first set with the gorgeous golden time are these presents. Ooh, I hope you loved how these turned out and the magic for day 4, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for day 5. Oh my gosh, we are almost halfway through already. I don't like it. Let's rewind. Thank you again for coming in. You made today's video so special, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, do all things with love. Happy holidays. Mwah.